Welcome children. I am very happy to meet you again through this online class. Today we are going to learn about framing algebraic statements. But before that, we'll see a small recap on patterns.
Recap. Introduction to algebra. Patterns. You already seen patterns. So what is patterns? In this chapter, we are going to look at patterns that deals with numbers. For example, let us list the numbers we know in order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. We observe that 1 is odd, 2 is even, 3 is odd, 4 is even, etc. These odd numbers and even numbers alternate with each other. If I tell you that I have a sequence 12, 8, 4 and so on, can you find next number? Easy. Each number is obtained by subtracting 4 from the previous number. So the fourth number is 0. So the branch of mathematics that deals with such patterns is called algebra. Today, algebra is used widely in many fields that include banking, insurance, accounting, statistics, science, engineering, manufacturing and so on. This already know about patterns. Now, today we are going to learn about framing algebraic statements. What is framing algebraic statements? Now, consider that there are n number of apples in a basket. We don't know how many apples. If 5 more are added, what will be the total number of apples in the basket now? Now listen. The total number of apples can be easily framed into an algebraic statement as n plus 5. This algebraic statement tells that whatever be the number of apples you had earlier, there are 5 more apples now in the basket. Okay children? Now, converting algebraic statements to verbal statements. So algebraic statements and verbal statements. First algebraic statement you have to convert as verbal statement. So verbal statements is given 14 more than m. How you can write algebraic statement? m plus 14. Okay, second one. What's a verbal statement is given? X is reduced by 6. What is verbal algebraic statement? X minus 6. Understood children? Okay. Now third one. Product of 3 and y. How you can write 3y? Okay. 5 divided by z. How you can write 5 divided by z? The fifth one. 5 less 2, 2 times p. How you can write 2p minus 5. So next, converting verbal statements to algebraic statements. First we will see what we have seen. Algebraic statements to verbal statements. Now vice versa. Now converting verbal statements to algebraic statements. The first one. X is increased by 21. How you can write algebraic statement? X plus 21. The second one. 7 is taken away from A. How you can write algebraic statement? A minus 7. Third one. twice P. Twice means multiply. Okay. How you can write 2P? Fourth one. 10 divided by M. How you can write 10 divided by M? Okay. Fifth one. The product of 7 and Y is divided by 2. How you can write? Product of 7 and Y is 7Y minus 2. Okay. Next, find the suitable value of M to get a sum of 9. How you can find? First, M is given, then M plus 4, then result. Is it 9? Yes or no? Now M is 1. What will become M plus 4? 1 plus 4. Result what? 5. Is it 9? No. Second one, see. What is M? 2. So then 2 plus 4. What is the result? 6. Is it 9? No. Third one. 3 plus 4. What is the result? 7. Is it 9? No. Fourth one. M is 4. 4 plus 4. What is the result? 8. Is it 9? No. Fifth one. M is 5. 5 plus 4 is equal to what? Result? 9. Is it 9? Yes. See the example 1. The teacher asked two students to write the algebraic statements for the verbal statement 8 more than a number. Vetri wrote 8 plus x, but Moran wrote 8x. Who gave the correct answer? Now see the answer. Let the number be x. 8 more than the number. How you can write algebraic statements? 8 plus x. Who gave the correct answer? Vetri gave the correct answer as 8 plus x. Okay, children? Okay. Now see the example 2. Price of oil per liter is rupees 5 more than 3 times the price of cool drinks, rupees P. Express algebraically. How you can write algebraically? Write. Now we'll see the answer. Price of cool drinks per kg is equal to rupees P. 3 times is equal to 3P. Rupees 5 more. What you can do? 3P plus 5. Therefore, price of oil per kg is equal to rupees 3P plus 5. Understood, children? Thank you, children.